Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone 13 is unlocked and running the latest iOS. Once done, open Settings right away and scroll to Camera. This is where HDR controls live. You want to see whether Auto HDR or Smart HDR is toggled on so you can change it. While you're in Settings, make sure Low Power Mode is off because it can briefly alter camera behavior. Now tap Camera to access the specific photo options you'll adjust next. In Settings under Camera, find the Auto HDR toggle and switch it off. This stops the phone from automatically blending multiple exposures. You do this because HDR combines frames for higher dynamic range, and turning it off preserves single exposure images. Once toggled, open the camera app so you can confirm visually. The HDR indicator should no longer appear on the screen. If you still see variations, make sure Smart Photo Capture or third-party camera apps are not overriding the system setting. Finish by taking several test photos in mixed lighting so you can confirm the change. Compare highlights and shadows to ensure HDR is off. If the HDR label or behavior persists, force close camera and reopen it, then reboot the iPhone. That clears cached settings. As a last resort, go to Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Reset all settings to restore camera defaults. Make sure you back up any custom settings first. This troubleshooting tip solves stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.